Okay, so now let's move on to our third really important physical property, density. So what exactly is density? Well, basically, it is a specific amount of mass in a specific amount of space. And we remember that the amount of space an object takes up is the volume. So density combines mass and volume together. Okay, so I'm going to have two bowls set up here, and they are going to have equal volumes to them. And in one bowl, I'm going to put a bunch of cotton balls. So I'm going to fill it up completely. Now, it's a little overflowed, but you know what I mean. In the second bowl, I'm going to fill it up with, I bet you're thinking tomatoes. Nope, not tomatoes, gumballs. So gumballs are a little bit heavier than cotton balls, but I'm going to be filling the bowl up just like I did with the cotton balls. So the volume of the two bowls is going to be equal. So each bowl is going to hold 300 milliliters worth of material. Now I'm going to make a little mistake here. Nope, not 30 milliliters. There we go. 300 milliliters. So the volume is equal, but cotton balls are a lot lighter than gumballs. So the mass of the bowl of cotton balls is 20 grams and the gumballs is 200 grams. So that means the bowl with the cotton balls has low density and with the gumballs has high density. So if the volume is the same, the one with more mass has more density. Okay, now we're going to stick with the cotton balls and the gumballs for a second, but this time we're going to make their masses equal. So I'm going to bring out a little teeter-totter here, and we are going to get a big stack full of cotton balls on one side. So we're just going to keep stacking them up. We need a lot of cotton balls because they're really, really, really light. So up and up the stack goes. So we have this huge stack of cotton balls on one side. Now gumballs, again, have more mass to each one than cotton balls do. So I'm going to end up with a fairly small pile of gumballs, but the mass is going to be the same. As you can see, the teeter-totter is perfectly straight, so the mass is equal here. Okay, so on one side of my scale teeter-totter, I have about, I'm thinking about it here, about 200 grams of cotton balls and then 200 grams of gumballs. Now you can see that the pile of cotton balls is really big, so we're going to say it's about 672 milliliters, whereas the gumballs is only 58 milliliters. So the cotton balls again have low density while the gumballs have high density. If the masses are equal, high volume means low density, so kind of the opposite of the last example. So this is really, really important to remember. If you have the same volume, like the same size bowl or a can of Diet Coke and a can of regular Coke, as the mass goes up, the density is going to go up. If you have the same mass, though, like a pile of feathers or a pile of bricks or a pile of cotton balls and a pile of gumballs, as the volume goes up, the density goes down.